Hi, I'm Wilgens Petitfrere, an electrical engineer at SV Microwave, here to discuss the complexities of interfacing a coaxial connector with the PCB and what SV can do to help. Transitioning between two transmission line types can severely hinder RF performance if not handled properly. When moving between a coaxial line and a PCB line, such as a microstrip or strip line, proper geometry of the PCB in this area is critical. Here at SV, we use simulation tools like CST and HFSS in order to optimize this footprint design to maximize RF performance. Every PCB stack and RF connector interact differently, so we go through multiple iterations in order to tune each feature and achieve peak performance. We want our connectors to work as best as possible for you, so we're happy to assist early in design phase, before simple design mistakes can lead to expensive board respins. We also offer full encrypted 3D models that can be imported directly into CST and HFSS if you prefer to handle the footprint design yourself. These models obscure the proprietary internal design of our parts while still giving full electrical performance within your simulation environment. If any of these services are of interest to you, please visit www.svmicrowave.com and contact our applications engineering team today.